Yo YouTube, what is going on? Hope you guys are all doing well and staying safe. The weather is sweet right now. The sun is shining on me. I feel blessed right now. Hope you guys are doing blessed as well. That being said, guys, like I said, I'm in a very good mood. So today I'm actually going to save you guys a whole $1,000 over a year period. So before I get into that, this video is going to save you a lot of money. So all I ask in return is nothing but you guys to drop a like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell. That's all you have to do in return, just to say thank you. Because I'm going to be saving you over $1,000 here with this one video. So guys, let's just jump straight into this. So I know a lot of gurus out there are telling you to go and build a website. First and foremost, what I want to break down is, should you actually, have a website? My answer to that is yes, you should have a website, but not a website that you think. What I recommend you do, guys, is build a funnel. Now, a funnel is obviously a website. It's built on, either Clickfunnels or something else. I'll be getting into that in a second, and I'm going to be showing you how you save money. But just before that, I want to break down if you should have a website. Yes, I believe even if your website is going to help you just 1%, that 1% can really make the difference. So yes, I do believe you should build a website, but it shouldn't be a traditional website. It shouldn't just be like a fancy website with loading animations, and it shouldn't list 15 different services that you offer, and it shouldn't be all this fancy stuff, elaborate stuff on there. It literally should just be a funnel, one page with an opt-in to actually get people to put their email address in and actually scheduling some sort of time with you, scheduling something with you or something like that. And what I mean by that, guys, is with your website, you can create what you call a funnel. If you guys are not familiar with funnels, I highly recommend you pick up Russell Brunson's books on what funnels actually are. The dude that runs Clickfunnels. Again, I'll be getting into Clickfunnels in a second because I know that shit is expensive for you guys. And I'm gonna show you how you cut that price down to literally around $5 per month or something like that. So that being said, guys, again, the funnel thing, don't build a website, build a funnel. Now, what you can offer on your funnel is free resources such as a free case study. So for example, it could be a website where, again, it's not a website, it's a funnel, should I say. We'll use the word funnel from now on. So your funnel should be a one page, actually just one page. It should be built in a very organized way where it gets the most click-throughs possible. Because again, we're not building a website just for it to look fancy. We actually want this to be functional. Now, the function it should serve and the purpose it should serve is getting you leads. Now, the way you get leads is by offering something of value in exchange for someone's email address. That could be, for example, a free Loom audit if you don't have a free case study. If you have a case study video, offer that. Or if you want to offer something, for example, some sort of solution that solves people problems. For example, if I was to give you guys, here's this a real quick idea off the top of my head that I know you guys would love. If I was like, hey guys, I've got 10 of the top converting cold email scripts available. All you have to do is go to this funnel. All you have to go to go to my link in my bio, click on the link, and then go through and put your email address, and you get those. That right there is what you call a funnel. You've just given me your email address in exchange for some cold email scripts that convert. I'm solving your problem and I'm giving you value, and you're giving me your email in exchange. So you want to think in terms of that. So whatever pain problems your niche, for example, if you're in the real estate niche or if you're in the e-commerce niche, think about what their pain problems are and how you can solve that, and then create resources that you can get that are downloadable to them, where if they put their email in, they'll get it downloaded in their inbox, or sent to their inbox, should I say, and they can download that resource and actually use it. And obviously that sells them into your process and indoctrinates them. That's more of an advanced strategy, but that's what a funnel is definitely made for. Now, getting on to the actual saving you money. Now, I know that Clickfunnels right now, I believe at the time of recording this, is $97 per month. Now, the reason why I'm actually doing this video, guys, just real quick before I get into that, is because I was on a call the other day with a potential student. He was just inquiring about how I help people, what my 4-week mentorship program's all about, whether or not it's a good fit for him. And I actually should be hearing back from him today, actually. That's actually quite coincidence. So this was actually yesterday, in fact. Yeah, it was actually yesterday. So on the call, he was basically breaking down his struggles right now, the profitability of his business. I won't mention his name, of course. And he was basically wondering how I built my website. And he wasn't the only one who asked me how I built my website. Me personally, I built my website on WordPress using a plugin, should I say, called Elementor. I'll get into that in a second, but he was basically asking me how I built my website, whether or not he needs Clickfunnels or something like that, or a software similar to that. And I answered, no, you don't actually need Clickfunnels. And this is what's going to save you a whole bunch of money. So if we actually do the maths, guys, if you take $97 per month, which is what it's costing for Clickfunnels, and you times that by 12 months in a year, I believe it actually comes out to exactly $1,164 and that's the exact dollar amount you're actually going to be paying over a course of a year. Right now, I'm literally paying $91 per year. There's no typos. I didn't make an error. I'm paying right now $91 per year for my actual website. And here's how I'm doing it, guys. So guys, just to back up real quick, if you are running ads, I recommend get Clickfunnels. Or if you are, for example, if your website right now is getting less than like 50 visitors per day, you don't need Clickfunnels. Clickfunnels is more an advanced tool. And to be honest with you, with WordPress and Elementor, you can build out funnels that look way better than Clickfunnels. There's way more functionality, and it's also a drag and drop editor if you use Elementor. So again, if your website is getting less than like 50 visitors a day, I don't recommend you use Clickfunnels for the price. It's probably not going to be worth it. You could probably use something much cheaper, such as WordPress and Elementor, albeit WordPress and Elementor is slightly more difficult to build. There is a little bit more tech savviness, if you will, that's involved. But I'm telling you right now, here's how I did it. I literally went to Google, I typed in how to build a WordPress website. I watched the first video on YouTube. I am not even joking. Oh, by the way, I typed in how to build a WordPress website using Elementor because I already knew kind of about Elementor because I seen another video about it on YouTube. I then looked into it, found out it was actually easier than I thought, built my website, and now it's literally costing me, it cost me, I believe it's for WordPress, it's free to build a website. All you have to do is purchase your domain. So if you already got a domain, I'm not going to factor that into the cost. But if for my actual website cost right now, here's what I'm paying for. I'm paying for hosting, which is $3.75 a month. And then there's Elementor Pro. So I bought the Pro version of Elementor for $49 a year. So if you take those costs, I believe, and you times the monthly cost, if you kind of break down like the Elementor Pro cost in a monthly figure, and then add that to the the actual hosting plan with HostGator, for example. I recommend you use HostGator. They're really, really good. And their baby plan, I believe it's called, is like $3.50 or $3.75. I can't really remember. But if you add it all together, your actual yearly cost is going to be $91 for the entire year instead of $97 for just 1 month with Clickfunnels. So I highly recommend as well, guys, that you actually go and learn how to build landing pages with Elementor. Not only that, but it has way more functionality than Clickfunnels. Yes, you can also save templates, for example, like if you build a funnel out and you spend a whole, evening just building a funnel out, for example, you can save that as a template and you can actually send that to other people. You can download it. You can literally just give it to anybody. It's really cool. It's like plug and play stuff. Not only that, but it's a drag and drop editor when you use Elementor. So again, my costs are super, super cheap. I recommend you actually implement this as well in your particular business. Not only that, but you can have like really fancy looking websites. Now, again, I don't recommend you go the fancy route where you build all these elaborate like looking websites. They don't do anything. They don't serve a purpose. People don't care about how fancy your website looks. There is a kind of like fine line between having your website look really crappy and having it look unprofessional to like, I guess I don't know what I'm trying to say here, but there is definitely, I'm pretty sure you guys know what I'm trying to hint at here, but like there is a line between where I think that yes, you need to make your website look at least presentable, but then anything after that is just doing too much, basically. That's what I'm trying to say. So that being said, guys, this video alone should save you $1,000. So you know what, just send me the invoice and just send me your money so can say thank you. No, I'm just joking, guys. All you have to do is just drop a like, comment and subscribe and I'll be happy with that. But again, guys, look, your price is gonna drop from 1.1k all the way to $91 for the entire year. Not only that, but you're gonna have a funnel that looks better, has more functionality. You even have analytics on there. You can actually just use plugins, for example, to actually add analytics in. Not only that, but you can do a whole bunch more with WordPress because WordPress is like the world's best, website builder, if you will. And there's a whole bunch of plugins, like little applications that you can actually install on your funnel. Not only that, but you can obviously create opt-in pages, actual funnels where people can actually put in their emails. Not only that, but you can actually custom build out your forms as well to make them look really, really good. You don't really need to know any CSS coding or anything like that, or any sort of I'm not familiar with any of that. You can add your pixels in, all that sort of stuff, guys. So I highly recommend you follow this video. And again, to be honest with you, if I was to break down like why all the gurus are telling you to get Clickfunnels, I genuinely believe it's because they just want you to use their affiliate link to actually just get ClickFunnels. Or I guess if they're more of a authentic guru, if you will, they're kind of telling you to just get ClickFunnels because it's really easy to build. Now with, like I said, WordPress, it's slightly more difficult to build out a funnel. And when I say slightly, I'm talking like very minute differences, guys. Like you should be able to pick it up with one YouTube video. And I'm telling you that one YouTube video that you're gonna watch on YouTube, for example, if you just type in how to build a WordPress website or how to build a landing page with Elementor, literally just type in how to build a landing page with Elementor, watch the first 2 videos maybe, and you will be a pro funnel builder with WordPress. So that being said, like I said, that video there is going to probably give you a whole bunch of money back in your business because you're not going to be spending that $97 per month. Because I know a lot of you guys are literally just building out your onboarding process using like ClickFunnels, and you maybe have like one funnel or something like that. And I'm telling you, that's not worth $97 right now. So what you can do is instead reinvest that money into maybe buying leads, hiring somebody to do your first line writing for you, just using that money more wisely, I'm trying to say. Honestly, if I'm being honest with you guys, that $97 per month is probably not a wise expense right now if you're making less than like 5, 6, 7K profit or something like that. Anything after that, or if you're trying to run ads, I would probably get ClickFunnels because you can obviously like do like split tests on different landing pages. You have, I believe, just a more centralized kind of like tracking where you can see visitors, opt-ins, and the percentage and the conversion rates. That's probably when I would actually upgrade to ClickFunnels. But apart from that, you definitely don't need ClickFunnels. You can go again and use Elementor with WordPress, and again it's going to cost you what, $3.75 for hosting at the max if you use HostGator. Not only that, but you can then just buy Elementor Pro one time, and it's $49 one cost for the entire year, and you basically have saved yourself a whole bunch of money, and your costs are going to literally be what, I believe it comes out to like $6, $7 a month or something like that. I think it might even be about $5.50 or something like that a month. Whatever it is, you guys let me know in the comment section, but it's really, really cheap. It's like $7 a month at the absolute max. So that being said, guys, I hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope that I've saved you some money. Again, drop a like, comment, and subscribe. That's all I ask for in return, because I saved you guys a whole bunch of money right now, and put to bed that myth that you need ClickFunnels. You don't need ClickFunnels. You need just a landing page, and that landing page can be built on WordPress, which is the cheapest way to do it. Slightly more technically difficult, but I'm telling you, just watch one YouTube video and you'll understand it straight away. And if you don't, watch another one, and then if you don't, watch another one after that, and believe me, you'll get it. But anyway, guys, I'll see you guys in the next video. Hope that I saved you some money, and stay tuned for the next video. I always hate ending off these videos if you can't tell already, guys, but yeah, it's still all good. But anyway, guys, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys soon. Peace.